Hello Shiba and horrors, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the alert news of the Shiba Inu. What's going on in the Shiba Inu? What's the future of Shiba Inu? And my friends, a lot of people so worrying about the Shiba Inu that what should we do in this critical situation. A lot of people also message me on Instagram, on Telegram, that what should we do, my friends. The people are so confused. So finally, friends, I decided to make a video for all of my viewers, my subscriber, and I want to guide all of you, my friends. Keep watch this video complete for more and better understanding. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video. My friends, at this time the latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market, you can see here that now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, 1 week changes occur in the Shiba Inu is negative. You can see here last 1 hour, 1 day and 1 week changes of the Shiba is negative. So that's why you can see here if the changes of the Shiba Inu is negative, so the price of the Shiba Inu also falls down, my friends. Simply, my friends, clearly that you are in the loss. You are in the loss, my friends. Shiba Inu holders, you are in the loss. You can see from the tomorrow, from the 7th July, you can see the price of the Shiba Inu falls down, and very badly falls down. I'm very sad about this, my friends. Negative 3.46% changes occur in the last 3 days, my friends. So now, my friends, at this time I think that you have to hold, because my friends, you're already in the loss. The last 1 week, the last 1 day, last 1 hour changes is negative. So if these changes is negative, that's mean that you are already in the loss. Please don't decide to say it's time to hold and make a profit with the Shiba Inu. Hold it, and also subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.